Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and if your Pinterest isn't working, like boards not loading, images not saving, or the app crashing, follow the steps to troubleshoot the issue. So now we are going to install the Pinterest. Okay. So, imagine you're in Pinterest, yes? And you have some issues with this application and you don't know what you need to do. So, the first of all, you need to go close and reopen the Pinterest. Like this. If nothing changed, you need to go check app permissions. Go to the settings, go to the apps, search Pinterest, and go to app permissions. And allow some permissions that can help you to solve your problem. For example, I allowed already 4 permissions, and we are going back to Pinterest. And if you logged in and you still have some issues, the next option you can choose is the reinstall the application. So we go to the Play Store, go to Pinterest, open like this, and uninstall and install. Let's go open this. And now we are in Pinterest. And if you still have some issues and you don't know what to do, you already, you already got all of options and it still didn't work out, you can go to the Google and search for the down detector, because the application server may be down. Let's go to find the Pinterest. Okay, don't worry if you wouldn't have the Pinterest inline. You can search for it. Just type Pinterest. Oh. And let's search. And there are all of issues, all of drop downs of Pinterest of the last 24 hours. As you can see, there's not so much, and you wouldn't have problem with this. So, what you can do next if you still have some issues? So, the last option and the best option is to restart your phone or check the connection. You know, mobile data, Wi-Fi connection. You just need to check this, and if it's working, you just need to restart your phone. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.